Imagine if one giant castle controlled the whole village. Every decision, every trade, every rule came from that single tower. Sounds powerful, right? But wait, what happens if that castle gets greedy or collapses? Boom, the whole village is stuck. Here's the twist. What if power was spread across all the houses in the village instead of one? That's where things get interesting. Let's find out. Picture a small village where everyone shares food, water, and news. Instead of one bossy castle king telling people what to do, every family has a voice. They all keep their own copy of the rules on the village board. If one family disappears, the village still runs fine because the others have the same information. No single castle, no single ruler, just balance spread across the village. In the digital world, this idea is called decentralization. Instead of one computer or one boss holding all the control, many computers share it. They check each other, agree on changes, and keep the system safe. It's like the village where every house helps guard the truth. So why does this matter to you? Think of your favorite online game. If only one castle controlled the treasure, it could disappear or be unfair. But if the whole village protects it together, the treasure stays safe and fair. That means your digital pets, your game skins, or your trades online can't be cheated or suddenly vanish. So now you know why spreading power across the village makes life safer and fairer. Here are the key terms to remember. Decentralization, power shared across many, not held by one. Village houses, each one keeps the rules, just like computers share control. Fair protection, everyone guards the treasure, so no one can cheat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.